Good morning, everyone. Let's do calendar. It's time for a rule song, okay? Eyes on teacher, eyes on teacher. Listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, you should have calm hands, and a calm body, and a calm body. Nice job, friends. Let's get right into it. We're going to do the days of the week. All right. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. Yesterday was Wednesday. What is today? That TH makes the th. Stick your tongue between your teeth. Th. Thursday, right? Thursday looks like this. So if you think in your head, yesterday was Wednesday, today is Wednesday, Thursday. Good. Tomorrow will be Friday. Can you tell me what the day of the week is today? Good job. Today is Thursday. Let's do the months of the year. Can you remember the months of the year? There are 12 of them. Ready? We start with what? What month? January. Good. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then we turn around. Let's look up here. The month is called May, right? May. May starts with letter M. M-A-Y spells May. Wow, great job, guys. All right, we are cruising. Let's count now. So we did the days of the week, that's all done. The months are all done. Let's do our counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What comes next? 21, right? This is 21. It looks like this. 2 and a 1. 2 10s and 1 1. That makes 21. Great. 21. How many more days until Memorial Day? This is our special day, Memorial Day, right? We don't have school on Monday. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? There are 4 more days until Memorial Day. Great job. All right, let's do our weather. Weather watcher, what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you, please? Won't you, please? All right. Let's go down to the weather. It says the weather today is. Looking at my window, I'm watching, looking. It's sunny outside. Let's look at my weather graph, and we'll find sunny. All right? I'm going to color in another square. Look at how many sunny days. We have so many sunny days. Color in the sunny day, sunny day, sunny day. Color in the sunny day. Here we go. All right, so what I did was I said...
You have a friend.
Hold on. I have a friend. I'm going to sit here. It says, how many sunny days do we have? And then it says, how many cloudy days? Let's see, how many sunny days do we have? Can you help me count?
Yeah.
All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 sunny days.
10 sunny days.
10
10 looks like this. 1 and a 0, right? How many? Can you tell me?
10.
10. How many cloudy days? Let's look at our graph. Where's cloudy, Pippi?
Right there.
That's rainy. Which one's cloudy? That's cloudy. Good. This one is cloudy. How many cloudy days? 1, 2. 2 cloudy days. I'm going to write 2. 10 sunny days and 2 cloudy days. Which one is bigger? 10, right? 10 is bigger. I'm going to circle 10. We've had more sunny days than cloudy days in May. Great job. So I'm going to put the sunny up here. Okay. All right, now let's do, you know what, let's do the temperature. We're going to do temperature. What is the temperature today? It says it's 55 degrees.
Which one is that?
Hold on.
Is it that one?
Yep, but wait one sec. 5 degrees. Looks like this. So that's not cold. That's not hot. It's warm, right? So we're going to take this, bring it up here. The temperature today is going to feel warm. Great. And the season. 4 seasons in a year. I can name all 4. Do you wanna hear? Let's get ready and say them all. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. What's the season? You guys know. The season is spring. Perfect. Great job. Let's say the whole date, okay? Ready? Today is Thursday. Good. What's the month? May. What's the number? Look down here. 21, right? The weather today is sunny. Remember, there were 10 sunny days in May so far. The temperature today feels warm. The season is spring. Great job, you guys. Nice listening to calendar. Talk to you later. Bye.